Holidays mean family gatherings, gifts, and tasty food, but for people living on the streets, the holidays can be lonely and the cold weather can be brutal. In Pennsylvania alone, the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development estimates 13,500 people are homeless on any given day. And as we head into the Thanksgiving holiday, it is a good time to take stock of what area shelters need to handle the influx of those who are struggling. So joining us this morning to talk about the needs in our area, Tom Scott from the Water Street Mission. Thank you for joining us out of Lancaster. And Ryan Regard, Senior Project Manager with the Exterior Company. Thank you both so much for joining us this morning. Tom, I want to start with you. One of the many areas where, or shelters that are helping people in need right now, but what does Water Street Mission specifically focus on?
Water Street Mission has been around since 1905, and we provide an environment of dignity, hope, and healing for those that are going through poverty and experiencing homelessness.
Do you find that around this time of year really kind of ramps up with what people are in need?
Any extremes hurt. So if it's the dead of summer and it's very hot, or certainly now as it gets cooler, it's going to drive people inside and they need shelter, they need food. It winds up being that there's a lot more needs typically during this time.
From an emotional standpoint, how tough is this time of year? You're giving back, you want to give back, but also you're helping people that don't have that ability sometimes to help themselves.
Absolutely, and poverty goes beyond poverty of dollars, it's poverty of relationship. And so during this time, especially when families are gathering and people are together for the holidays, to be during the holidays and not have family, not have friends to reach out to, that's a tough place to be.
Is it safe to say around this time of year the donations really ramp up?
They do, and we count on that. We expect more need and we expect more giving as well, and this is kind of the giving season for us.
What are some of the donation projects, plans that are taking place with Water Street currently?
Currently, right now, we've got a Rescue Mission food drive that goes into December 20th. Information about that is on rescuemissionfooddrive.org. It has the list and where the drop-off locations are. In addition, today is the Extraordinary Give Day in Lancaster, which is a huge deal for us and so many other nonprofits.
And Water Street Mission relies so much on the help of volunteers. And Tom, that's kind of where we bring you in. What is so beneficial? What do you find the most rewarding aspect of helping out Water Street?
I just want to first start by saying we're very thankful, for the opportunity to help out today. So it's nice to be able to stop up. We're going to have probably 25 of our employees, including myself, helping out, lending a hand, sorting and packaging food donations, and also roaming the community to help look for those that may be in need of a warm meal. It's important to us to really just try to bring a little bit of joy to those who may be suffering this holiday season. And, for us, the community has been very good to the Exterior Company over the years, and we're always looking for opportunities to give back. And, we've done a lot of work with Habitat for Humanity and other charitable organizations. So teaming up with, organizations like the Mission is great because, and anybody that provides shelter and those that are struggling, less fortunate, is something that we want to be a part of.
And Ryan, I want to go back to something you just said a moment ago about going around and physically going around, picking people up, helping them out.
Yeah, we're going to try to, if there is someone that maybe, we can help and point them in the right direction. And we're also going to be stopping into other charitable organizations today for the give and doing what we can.
So physically going out, a mobile unit, so to speak, and helping out. That's fantastic.
I'd love to say what the Exterior Company and other businesses like that give to our community are so vital. I know just at the Mission today, there's going to have one group that's going to be sorting essential items that come in that otherwise would have to be done by staff. We've got them helping clean up, and then there's another group that's going to be working on, because they've got Exterior Company, they've got some good skills there in certain areas. They're going to be working with our maintenance team on some of the repair projects that are going on.
And there's a new shelter opening up as well, correct?
It's fantastic. It's an amazing shelter. We just had our ribbon cutting last week, but it's going to be operational as of December.
And real quick, where can people go if they want to help volunteer or help out with the Exterior Company or volunteer with Water Street Mission, where can people go for more information?
WSM.org. is the best way to go.
And Ryan, on your end, is this something where people could help out if need be?
Absolutely.
All right, so we have all the information on our website, fox43.com. Tom Scott from the Water Street Mission, Ryan Regard from the Exterior Company. This is fantastic. Extraordinary Give Day in Lancaster, and $2 million have already been raised in just the first 9 hours of this so far. So it's just a fantastic start. Andrew Michaels,